Okay, so we started cleaning the outside of the house here and there between really nice days that were not cool or too hot. But this side of the house is taking a beating from the sun big time. And we're just trying to preserve the wood as much as we can because we do like it. Oh, look, a storm. Anyways, you can see all that coming off. Some of that's the stain that they had on it, but it really needed to be washed. We're going to paint it and everything. So, really, really needs that. But we're also caulking some of the things, as you can see here, the little lines, because some of them you could literally put your finger in. Oh, look, there's my little helper. She was supervising. But anyways, that has turned into a huge job for us, but I think it's something that needs to be done. I don't know if it's the right thing, but that's what we're doing. And yes, I'm making a mess, but I'm trying to make it as pretty as possible, and we're painting over it, so you won't be able to see it anyways. But yes, it'll look a whole lot better once we get the paint on it.